For lots of families, dumplings are a winter fave. But these dumplings are a little bit different. The meat inside them started right here as animal cells grown inside a nutrient tank.
We're taking a sample of cells from a living animal, bring those into the lab, turn them into stem cells and grow them up into muscle and fat, combine them together and create a real meat product.
It's called lab-grown meat, or cultured meat. Scientists say they're making it because a lot of people like the taste of meat, but don't like the idea of killing animals, or the impact that farming them can have on the environment. It's different to plant-based meat, which you'll have seen in shops already. The only place you can buy lab-grown meat right now is in Singapore. But that's about to change because recently the US Food and Drug Administration gave it the green light for American customers. Now Food Standards Australia New Zealand is working on it too.
We have received our first application. Pretty exciting after reading about these things for a number of years. We're busy working our way through that at the moment, actually.
The application's from the company that created this.
The mammoth meatball.
It's exactly what it looks and sounds like. They took cells from a long-dead woolly mammoth and created a meatball out of it. But no, they're not asking to start selling those. They're planning to sell lab-grown quail meat.
Quail is a really nice species because it's not something most consumers can immediately think about, oh, this doesn't taste like the quail I ate yesterday.
There are definitely some questions though, like, does it taste like the real thing? Is it cheaper? Is it better for the environment? And is it safe to eat?
Well, I believe so because it's so controlled. It's more controlled in the way it's produced than from an animal. It's not likely to be infected with any viruses or bacteria.
The animal that we take the sample of cells from goes on to continue living its normal, natural life. We use a lot less land, a lot less water, and produce a lot less greenhouse gas emissions than traditional animal agriculture. If I ate meat, this would be the meat that I would eat.
This technology, yes, it works, but it's really expensive.
Food Standards Australia New Zealand is expected to make a decision on the first lab-grown meat product by March next year. So, what do you think?
I think lab-grown meat is a really cool alternative to meat.
But I do think that it's going to be a little, maybe more expensive since it's lab-grown, it takes so much energy. But then again, it's really more sustainable than killing animals.
I wouldn't eat lab-grown meat because I don't really believe in eating animals.
I'm happy to try new things and I think it will be great because some days I do have to go, I'm not allowed to eat meat.
Yeah, I'll have a little bit, but I wouldn't, keep on having it as a meat.
I think a lot of people would want to try it, but I do think there would be some people who like the original taste of meat better and just how it's it's not actually meat, so how people just want their actual meat.
Also for people who are vegan or vegetarian, they'd probably try it.